So, you want to know if that Audi recall 93AA is a real fix for the battery fire risk in your Q5 plug-in hybrid. The straight answer is no. This recall doesn't actually repair the battery. Instead, it installs software that acts like a one-time digital fuse. If it detects a serious fault, it's designed to permanently stop your car from ever charging again. The real problem is a tiny hidden flaw from the factory in a single battery cell made by Samsung SDI. This defect can cause an internal short circuit. In a high-voltage battery, a short like that creates unstoppable heat, a chain reaction called thermal runaway, which is just the technical term for a battery fire. It's the same core issue that affected over 32,000 Jeep Wranglers using the same battery packs. This software update is more than just a temperature sensor. It's constantly analyzing complex data from inside the battery cells, looking for the specific digital signature of a cell that's about to fail. It's like smelling the smoke long before you can see any fire. If the software finds that pattern, it acts immediately. It sends a final one-way command that tells the battery to never accept a charge again. You won't just get a warning light. Your car's electric mode will be permanently disabled. The only fix is to replace the bad battery module, part number 4M0915591. Until that part is swapped, your plug-in hybrid is just a regular gas car. So here's what you need to do. This recall, 93AA, affects 2022 and 2023 Q5 55 TFSI E-models, plus some 2022 A7 plug-in hybrids. Until you get the software installed at a dealer, Audi says you should limit your charging to 80%, or just don't charge it at all. Be aware, the final software isn't expected until the second quarter of 2025. And if Audi calls you about your car's data, park it outside immediately and do not charge it until the battery is replaced. Ignoring that 80% limit before the update is installed just increases the risk of a fire. Check your VIN online to see if your car is on the list.